What's up, everybody? Hope y'all had an awesome weekend. We have tons of news from the past few days, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. First on the docket, we have China gives out 40 million of digital yuan in red envelopes to boost adoption. TikTok, they have officially banned the promotion of cryptocurrency. I know a ton of cryptocurrency TikToks out there, and this is huge news. Hopefully we'll hear more on that development soon. Overall this week, we're wanting to watch Bitcoin. It is still consolidating, as we can see here on the chart. On the 1 hour and on the day chart, it's also consolidating very nicely. Top ones to watch this week are going to be Bitcoin, Luna, Atom, Cake, and FTT. So with Cake, it has actually been pretty much smushed between the moving averages for the past 5 days. It's consolidating. In the next few days, it's predicted to make a very strong move. The RSI is definitely now positive territory, so the bulls have an advantage in this one. We expect to pop upwards very soon. Atom, that one has also been trading kind of sideways, consolidating. It's been between about $17.56 and $8.51 for the past few days. The bulls did push the price above the 50-day SMA on July 5th, which was the first big sign of strength. Soon after that, the bears did try to trap the aggressive bulls and pull the price down, but they were unable to break that 20-day EMA support. Basically, what they're doing is they're buying in on the dips. For Luna, that one has been trading inside a range as well since the end of May. The bulls were able to push the price up above resistance on July 9th, indicating demand exceeds supply. Definitely something we look for. The moving averages completed a bullish crossover. RSI has also risen to the overbought zone, so it's suggesting a change in trend. If the bulls can sustain the price above $7.96, the Luna pair could start to see a new uptrend. Next, we have the FTT or FTX token. It did break above the downtrend line on July 6th, suggesting that the correction may have ended. The bears did try to stall the recovery on the 50-day SMA on July 8th, but was unable to sink below the 20-day. The price rebounded off the 20-day on July 9th, and the bulls are trying to push the pair above the 50-day SMA currently. The 20-day has started to turn up marginally, and the RSI has risen into the positive zone, indicating that bulls are attempting to make a comeback. If the buyers can propel and sustain the price above the 50-day SMA, the pair could start a relief rally that may reach $34.73 approximately. Next on the news list, we have yesterday posted Elon Musk offers dev-specific directions on making Dogecoin superior to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Elon Musk published a Twitter post July 9th suggesting that after the major upgrade, Doge will become superior to Bitcoin and Ethereum, as the meme coin will offer much faster and cheaper transactions than the top-line blockchains. This upcoming upgrade to Doge is expected to boost the speed of the coin's base layer transactions and bring down the fees at the same time. In response to his tweet, an IT engineer wrote that Dogecoin is already 15 times faster than Bitcoin. However, he pointed out that making block speed 10 times faster is going to be hard. Elon responded, suggesting a way as to how Doge devs should implement the task. In response to his Friday's tweet that promised to make Doge faster and cheaper than Bitcoin and Ethereum, two Bitcoin community influencers, Gabriel Guptas and Samson Mao, tweeted that one nuance seems to be forgotten by Musk. Dogecoin is merge mined with Litecoin, so that can definitely be a problematic thing, but overall, in the grand scheme of things for Dogecoin, I definitely see it on the up and coming list. Do I think it could ever be bigger and better than Bitcoin or Ethereum? No, but there's always that possibility. People's Bank of China, they have increased and ramped up their digital currency crackdown. They reportedly issued a notice warning local institutions not to provide digital currency related companies services. This stance has dominated the news these past few weeks, as we spoke about just this past week. This latest reinforced rhetoric only increases the urgency for local companies to look elsewhere to set up operation in regards to cryptocurrency. The notice included a disclosure that officials forced a Beijing-based software firm to shut down operations over its suspected involvement in providing software services for virtual currency transactions. We spoke about that the other day. In regards to Bitcoin, there is much speculation about Bitcoin holding on to the 30,000 range as it consolidates. Currently, it hasn't been able to challenge some of the key technical areas during the Asian session as it continued to be offered below the $38,236 area. This level represents the 23.6 retracement of the depreciating range from the lifetime high of 64,899 to 30,000. Another key level is the 36,983 level, representing the 23.6 retracement of the depreciating range from the 59,592 to 30,000. Traders are closely watching these levels to see if they can be absorbed during moves higher. There has been much technical resistance around the 36,500 range, representing the 61.8% retracement of the depreciating range from 41,322 to 28,800. Other areas of potential technical resistance in this depreciating range include 38,367 and 38,642. So we will mark those on the chart momentarily. Other news we have is the SEC. We spoke about them the other day. Suspension of foul play. They have apparently brought in insider trading charges against dark web user The Bull. The 30-year-old Greek man allegedly sold fake insider trading tips on Alphabay. That right there just tells me everything. And of course, this did take place back in 2016 to now, and they finally caught up with him. Last but not least, this article I did see earlier today. Robbers torture a man with a drill to steal his cryptocurrency. This took place in the Netherlands. They attempted to force him to give up his coins, and this actually happened in late February, but news is really just coming out about it. Apparently, this was in view of the man's 4-year-old daughter. They tortured him with an electric drill, causing injuries so severe he ended up being hospitalized for 5 days. It is unclear whether or not they actually obtained any of his funds before leaving, but if he did turn over his password, the criminals could have transferred the money to an anonymous account almost instantly, as we all know. There was a follow-up, of which, of course, Dutch police were horrified by the crime scene. They dispatched 15 officers to investigate, and the cops refused to comment, but police sources did confirm that the criminals were after the man's cryptocurrency holdings. There have been other examples similar to these violent crimes of attempting to steal cryptocurrency, such as a Russian businessman who was held hostage until he surrendered his Bitcoin funds. The point of this is keep your information locked up tightly. Don't tell anyone how much money you potentially have, whether it's in cryptocurrency, in dollar, no matter what it's in. Keep that close to you. Don't even tell family these days because you never know exactly what may happen. There's a lot of bad people in the world, and we do what we can to make it a little bit safer each day. But those are my news updates for the day. I do plan on hoping to do another video tomorrow night if there's anything newsworthy that ends up coming out. Otherwise than that, y'all have an awesome night, and I'll chat with y'all later.